What is up, my people? Happy Friday. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Aldrinth. Good morning. Happy Friday indeed. Thank you for the support, my friend. Means the world to me. Thank you for the 2 months. Let's go. All right. So let's test something out, guys. I don't really know what's going to happen here. Um, I don't think I want these. Okay. So if I go to scheduled habit, notice some of my tasks have no icons. Almost none of them do. Scheduled habit service. Replace. So this is what it's going to do. So whenever we update, oh, by the way, what up, Slavnik, what up? Welcome. Whenever we update a scheduled habit, we version the old one off. So we do that by, haha, what up, Frammy? Welcome in, my friend. Long time no chat. So we version the scheduled habit off. Let's see what we do. Can I do this? Get. Probably shouldn't touch anything, but that's okay. Let's look. Okay. Of course, we're working on the app, my friend. Of course. We're not on a yacht yet, are we? That's my litmus test for if I stop working on it. Did we make it to the yacht? Although I'm actually pretty scared of boats. I mean, not regular boats, but like a giant yacht in the ocean. That scares me a little. Okay. So we get the thing. So before I modify this icon, I want to see what happens. So we get to the current day the user's on. We convert that to the date. But that doesn't look like that uses their time zone. Get date with time zone. That looks more what we probably should be doing. Time zone. Get date Okay. Hmm. Dang. Surely I do something with time zones somewhere. Let's go, Frammy. Appreciate that, my friend. Glad to have you around. Yeah, dude, the app's been growing quite a bit. Quite a bit, dude. Yeah, really appreciate that. What is this? Oh, this could be sick. Date time. I have their date time available. Let's see here. I think that might be good. Client. So that is a date. So what is this doing? We're just relearning really quick how I version off my scheduled habits. So we take the client's immediate time. So they're making a modification. We say, great, what time is it for you? Then we say, okay, the new end date. I'm not sure if this is the new or old. Is modified. Well, anyway, we get yesterday for some reason. Let's go strong. Thank you, my friend. Damn. Hype train just for people resubbing. Cheers to you guys. Happy Friday. And a freaking 170 stream streak. Bro, that's literally insane. Strong, I talk to you more than most of my friends, dude. What a beautiful thing. Well, we're friends too. Most of my IRL friends. Isn't that wild? It's a beautiful thing, dude. End date. New start date. The internet is awesome. I'm totally with you on that. So this, assuming this does what it's supposed to, we're saying the new start date to this issue resolved, bro. We'll take that. We'll take that, dude. 90%, that's a sizable victory. So the new start date is right now. So that what we're assuming we're replacing today's. But then we're saying, oh, if they've already modified it, then we're going to replace the schedule actually tomorrow. Emil, what up? Welcome. Existing. Oh, my friend. Thank you, Emil. Thank you for that. Really appreciate the support. Habit modal. Existing scheduled habit model. I really shouldn't be touching this. I just don't trust it. You gotta trust it, you know? Oh, I gotta await this. Okay. So we're always setting the end date to yesterday. So if you modify your schedule, we're always saying, yep, it now ends yesterday. Which is interesting. Create new scheduled habit. The mock, what up? How we doing? Create new scheduled habit. Okay, that makes sense. Then the start date is new start date, which is either okay, which is either yesterday or tomorrow. Doing well here, just thinking through what's going to happen when I click this button. And I think we're good, honestly. Although, I do think this change is required. Modify. I think this date time. So let's save this and look what I did. Yeah, I wasn't using their time zone before. No, this is just my profile. So we have two things we need to do. Fix my icons, which it's only broken for me. Two, fix challenge icons. I'm just wondering, does it, would it, so scheduled habit versioning logic. What does this mean? We basically say set scheduled habit end date to yesterday. And what that means by setting it to yesterday is it's out of our life. Like it's not impacting today. The scheduled habit has disappeared. If if we have modified the planned task, which means if we're editing a schedule of something that we've already started working on. So imagine today I was going to program in better and I started updating it here, right? Like I started coming in here and doing this and that and the other. So imagine I did that, and then I come over to my habits and say, you know what? I want to modify this thing. That's what it's saying. If we already have modified it, then we're not going to touch it for today. So that means the new version starts tomorrow. Otherwise, new version hmm. Well, what I'm doing is starts yesterday, but I don't know if that makes sense. Starts He starts yesterday. I don't know if that makes sense. I kind of need end date to be exclusive. I think it's inclusive right now, which is sometimes causing issues. Well, let's just test it, honestly. I'm gonna push this change though. Oh no, let's just run it locally. What are we doing? What do we think this is? Okay. Start client. Here we go. Refresh. All right, here we go. Oh, that's okay. Um, Sidrin, what up? Cheers. All right, come on, baby. Cook for me here. Scheduled habit title. What's your beef? Uh-oh. Oh, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. What up, Trino? Bad news, guys. I gotta pull up Get Fork. Oh, I can't find a file. Let me see why not. Does it not save a oh crap. I stashed my changes. Now I'm not seeing it. No, it's right here. I don't know what happened. Let me do this. Apply. Merge conflict. How do I have a merge conflict? resolve. All right, we're good. We're good. So this thing should not have an issue finding that now. Start client. Trino and Jack, how we doing, guys? Select or good. Okay, we're still afloat, guys. I just hope my versioning system makes sense. We'll find out. Hmm. All right. Thought the server was running. I guess it's not. Here we go. So I'm coming in here and I'm saying, oh man, these things are all screwed up. Hydrate. I don't have a good hydrate one. Then let's just give it this. Update. An error. I think my data's bad. So we're just gonna like brute force mine. Okay. All right. So there you go. Now they all have valid icons in production. What happens if I change hydrate to this guy? It's showing up twice. So, and I think that's the problem with versioning in general. No, that one didn't have a problem. I don't trust my something. Oh crap. What don't I trust? I think my versioning system's not good. We kind of need to fix that. So let's see what's going on here. I have hydrate. I've not worked on hydrate yet, so why? Scheduled habit service replace. What kind of music? Oh, I like it all, dude. I'm more like a rock guy. Rock or EDM. Those are my top two. All right. So, existing scheduled. I need to figure out what this thing's doing exactly. Console that long. So we get the thing, set the end date. You okay? Let's see here. Cancel the log. Existing. Yeah, let's just see what this does. All right, so I'm seeing what happens if I modify something. I really want to stop logging that context. There. Goodbye. Okay. So I click hydrate. We get the hydrate. Change the icon to this thing. This is the existing scheduled habit. So let's see what the end date is. What up, Logan? Welcome. Cyprian, I got you. All right, so it's saying the start date. Trey, now I got you. Another day, another dollar. Let's go. So yeah, just trying to just understand how this thing works. So the end date is the 23rd. Great. I think it worked. So I think it might be a refresh issue. So if I grab this, change those to the shoes. I don't love that it disappeared on me. Now I'm just curious. If I go to here, do I get a bunch of tasks? No. Good. There it is. Cool. All right. I don't think it's perfect. I can't figure out what's wrong with it. There is something wrong with it, but I think it's good enough. The edit concept in general. All right. So now we need to fix challenges. Hmm. Ah. Where? There you go. Icon ID. What up, Albert? How we doing, dude? Select star from icon where ID in 27, 28, 29. Okay, so, huh. That looks good to me. So what's wrong with this thing? What's up, Toothless? Tell me Logan's in the chat without telling me Logan's in the chat. Alright, so the icon ID is correct. Why is it showing me those goofy icons? Why did it show me those goofy icons for the challenges when the icon ID is correct? Scheduled habit, latest, active. So I just think it's... I don't know why. Undefined. How could that be? Hmm. Emil, I got tragic news. My dog isn't here yet, but the moment she comes up here, I got you. Something ain't right, guys. Something ain't right. I'm having a hard time understanding. Let's go, dude. 20 stream streak. Appreciate that, my friend. Grateful to have you here. Why are all these tasks? Yeah, there's the icon. Task. Challenge. Has a remote image. Okay. Yeah, that is a very kind thing for you to do on a Friday, dude. So what does this do? Scheduled habit says if what are you calling this? Set task images. It's from the database. And those are, I think, so far I haven't seen anything incorrect. Let me do something. So far I haven't seen anything incorrect. So here they are, 100 push-ups. This has a, it's getting a custom okay. Then I know what's going on. I think. I definitely know what's going on. I definitely know what's going on. I'm setting this schedule habit, which is like a schedule of the task. So a task is like a template. Schedule holds scheduled data. We're changing the schedule, or the schedule has data. So it's like, oh, don't use the tasks data. Use the scheduled data. So watch this. Um, I would like to do this from scheduled habit. Why don't I do this from task where type equals challenge. Oops. Okay. Select star from habit where. Let's see what scheduled habit looks like. No, I know what it looks like. Where task ID equals. Let's do 786. I guess I don't know what it looks like. I thought it had a tab. Yeah, it does. What? Or task ID equals 786. Cool. Then if I do remote image URL, oh, that's right. Icon ID. They're null, except for me. Okay. So that's what I want to do. So I pull the refresh. Okay, it uses the correct one. The dev dad joke. User interface is like a joke. If you have to explain it, it's not that good. We've had a couple of those. We've had a couple of those. Welcome in, Dev Diaries. All right, so we're going to do the same thing with 791. And we're going to do the same thing with 75. 75. Okay, done. All right. So if I pull the refresh, all those are lovely. Let's go to the timeline and see what's happening there. See, these are still wrong. So let's do, now we need to find planned tasks. In 75, 786, 791. Select star from scheduled habit. Select ID, and then watch this. Select star from planned task. Select star from planned task where scheduled habit ID in okay. Icon ID. They're all this one. Out of curiosity, guys, this is going to be interesting. I don't know what's going to happen here, so wish me luck. Update plan task. Set icon ID. Null. Okay, so we just cleared them out. So if I pull to refresh this, what happens? KOC, welcome. Sick. I cleared them out, and now look. Let's check production for backwards compatibility reasons. Production works. So we've resolved the issue. We've resolved the issue. Yeah, sick. Sometimes it's that easy, baby. Okay, cool. So issue resolved with the icons. Me. I've got my icons here. Those ones don't have icons, and that's okay, to be honest. You love my channel in 10 minutes? Amazing, dude. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. All right, so that's looking good, guys. That's looking good. Do I have pending changes? Don't think so. No, those are good. And then this one is what? Cleaning, logic. I don't really care. Push. Done. Likewise, Albert. Cheers, my friend. How would I read your Twitch name? KOC Carter is what I would say. All right. So then the next objective is to just release this code. So here we are. Let's verify it's doing what we want. Oh, that's cool. Coach Carter. There you go. Okay. Wait, one thing. No, those are good. I think we're good. I don't. I do think. I do think I need to take a minute to think about what it means to edit these. What it does is it's versioning. It versions the task that way. Oops. Edit schedule. Yeah, it edits the. It literally creates a whole new element. What up, Mock? Yeah, so it creates a whole new element. Is that a problem is the question. I don't know. It feels problematic. What's up, Ibra? I think we're okay. You should work with your mouth just evolved into a poker rogue. I've never heard of a poker rogue. Is that always what the evolution of Meowth is? Okay, so we're revving versions here. Let's do a commit, shall we? Okay. Adding ability to edit icons. Push. Do we like? Question is, Oops. The question is, do we like how it looks? I think so. I think that's a good 1.0. All right, let's push this forward. Actions. Let me build this thing. Run workflow. Run workflow. All right, cool. So those builds are running, which means we can now edit icons. What's next? Let me go to linear and look. Privacy. I think achievements might be next. It's a Friday. What are we doing on a Friday? I have an idea. I have a fun idea. Should we build, guys, should we build the GitHub? Should we build the GitHub streak for premium users? I think that's going to be a fun one. And it adds value. So I think we'll do that. So what do we need to do? Cool. New user, let's go. All right, so premium users are going to get are going to get a better habit streak. So let's look at what that looks like. So what does it need to do? We need to grab 365 ADT best viewers. Thank you so much for letting us know. Thank you. Grab 365 days of data. And then please, my guy. All right, guys. So grab 365 days of data. Then we're going to start from front. grouping in sevens. Final week. Oh, I spelled week wrong. Boom. I'm the mod. Final week. All right, here we go. Damn, almost 800. Come on, I can't spell number. I keep calling it Nuber. All right, so is it as simple as why do I feel like this is way too involved? It's a classic banger. Okay. Easy. Plan day service get all in date range. Dude, can't we do this in a query? $365 of data. If there is no data set, so what do we do? If there is no data, well, yeah, see, that's the hard part. I don't know. Why don't I just do this just for fun? What's up, cookies? All right, screw it, guys. Let's just try this. This might be the worst thing I've ever done. I'm watching you, Fleece. All right. So that's easy. No, it's my own custom little thing. It's nice though. It has all the information I need about the user, their ID, their UID, which is for Firebase object, their email, their user roles, their current day key, which is their basically the day they're on, their current time zone, and the exact date time of them. So I just have all this info about them. Sup, Ronti? I forget who stole it, but the tragic news is the dog's not even up here. So it was a steal in vain. All right, let's just test something out, guys. Habit streak latest. Well, and what this should do, let's just do it. I need to figure out how the person's premium. Surely I have a user service that is premium. There we go. Good job, me. Context user ID. Fine. No, that's called winning. Doom upon your house. Uh oh. Shots fired. This is my favorite song. All right, here we go. Habits 3 latest. All right, user premium. All right. You're going to start doing that so you have an account for blowing up points, another save up. There you go. Love that. Okay, so I'm wondering what's more cool. Let me know what you guys think. So what I'm adding right now is the ability to display the whole GitHub chart on your profile if you have if you're premium. That way you could see and display more data. What I'm wondering is it more cool? Is it a more beneficial feature if you're premium to see the GitHub chart on other people's profiles, including your own, so you get to see more data if you're premium everywhere? Or if only premium people get the data, so if you're premium but you're looking at a free person, you don't get to see the data. Does that make sense? And then there could be like a view advanced button and you click it and be like, oh, this is a premium feature. Kind of interesting. All right, so let's see if we can get this thing cooking anyway. Okay. So that in theory is going to give us more data. Someone who doesn't have premium could ask premium person to look at. Yeah, true, but that would be inconvenient, you know? In May, you walked uh, 10,000 steps every day, dude. Almost 11,000 steps every day. Got motivated from the movie. Dude, amazing. Dev smashing a program bug. Oh, we've got bugs. We're not actually addressing a bug at the moment, but trust me, we've got them. Okay. Need to restart the device. That is a 10x dub, dude. That is a 10x dub. Oh, God. I don't know how to know how many lines of code, but tons, dude. Tons of lines of code. What up, RJ? Oh God, that many. Did that do node modules? Yo, what up, TG? Oh yeah, I'm on over the weekend, my guy. It's next weekend. Well, and I'm on next weekend too. Then it's the next week I'm gone. So we're cooking. We're cooking yet. How we doing, dude? All right. The analysis come back. Dev data is tons of lines of code. Exactly. And that was just my client. We didn't even look at the server, but clients of code isn't necessarily a good thing, as we all know. Look at there's my streak data. Let's go. So now we need to. Oops. Now we need to go to. TG, do you read me, by the way? You resent your message, so I don't know if you heard me or not. I'm on this weekend and the following weekend. I'm gone. Wait. No, I leave on Saturday. You're right. So I will be gone the following weekend. Don't listen to me, guys. Oh, no, you're good. Just making sure. All right, guys, look at so we have 365 days of data here. We need to turn it we need to make it we need to turn it into GitHub. Exactly. Embetter yourself. Good job, please. Let's try something. Break data. I'm gonna do this. Habit streak advanced. TSX. Okay. Major follow alert. There you go. There's the advanced widget. Just to make sure. What up, Akira? We're kind of going off the rails, dude. We're kind of going off the rails. Sometimes it happens, though. We're adding GitHub style chart for premium users. And here's my logic. I want to touch upon every area that a premium user gets. I want to start embarking on that. So like we can say premium analytics, right? This is the very first of it. I guess we don't have any premium challenge gates yet, but we have challenges, so we'll add gates on that. Once we get achievements, same thing. Premium achievements. What else? Oh yeah, we have premium notifications. So I'm just trying to slowly broaden the spectrum. 15. Dude, hello from the East Coast. Hello also from the East Coast, Deagle. Welcome to my stomping grounds, bro. Thank you for the sub, my guy. 15 months with the coveted first symbol in front of his name. We love to see it, dude. Thanks for being here. All right, guys, we tried this before and we failed. Do you think I can unfail this time, or you think I'm still doomed? You think we'll punt on it again? So what is this? There is 365 days of data right there. There's the 23. So if I scroll today's up to the 23rd, let's find out. Boy, what? This song's actually a banger, dude. So we want to see this go back 365 days. Let's try it. I think it did. And then I think it re-rendered. Runty, I'm livid. I can't believe Runty had the right meme coin. How did you have the right meme coin, dude? All right. So we have the data. Wish me all the luck, guys. Group. Habit. Data. Into. Please just do this for me, Copilot. I don't know what this is doing. I don't know what this is doing, guys. Yeah, we're talking about going off the rails. Copilot just went off the rails. So it's looping over all the data. You missed a message at work in a project. Assume that your lack of response was passive acceptance. Oh, you made $1 million. I missed a very critical keyword to your message. I thought you said if you made $1 million, raise your hand. I missed the word mistake, which is very important in that message. You still could have had the wrong meme coin to do that. That is insane, dude. Bro, imagine. Wait, what was a mistake? You missed a message at work in a project. Assume that your lack of response was passive acceptance. How long? What did they just work on this project in silence for a year? Like, how the hell did that cost $1 million for one Slack message? That's crazy. The, I have so many questions about that, honestly. Like, how did it go $1 million worth of effort until somebody realized that there was a problem? Like, was nobody checking in and being like, hey, this is not good? Yeah, that's wild, dude. Hopefully, yeah, that I don't work in scenarios like that, so I can't even really relate. That's just crazy. What the hell? What kind of shit is that? I think that's all I need. All right, guys, this needs to be 52. This needs to be 52, guys. It is. I'm the greatest programmer of all time. I just want a few $1,000, Runty. I just want a few $1,000. All right, so we've got the groups. Should we see if Copilot cooked, guys? Let's see if Copilot cooked. It doesn't look like it's cooking. It looks like it's doing the opposite of cooking. It looks like it's having an absolute heart attack. That was horrible. Okay, thanks for nothing, Copilot. I thought we were supposed to cook together. You worked with a lad at a bank who was found to be just transferring pennies from lots of accounts. I mean, not the worst play, dude. Not the worst play. What up, Happy? How we doing? I'm pretty sure there's a movie on that. Not called Office Space or something. Really bored? Get on the keyboard. That's why they call it a keyboard. I mean, it's not the worst idea. I'm just really mad I don't have a lake house. So I need to start shaving pennies from something. Correct. All right, guys. So we have the groups. Can I become successful here? All right, screw it. I'm gonna do this myself, Copilot. I don't need you. Okay, so we have a group. Okay. That seems legit. All right, so let's see. So now we're looping over each group. Const group views. Now we're going to do the outer loop. Hold on one second. You're not going to want to hear these notifications. Boop. Yeah, no, I don't mind the bots.